How do you get your IBM reports into Excel today? Manually drag files to your desktop and import them into Excel? Tired of the hassle? Introducing SpoolFlex, an easy-to-use, off-the-shelf software that converts IBM I reports to digital formats, including spreadsheets and PDF. The software is modular, so you can build a paperless report solution to fit your unique requirements and budget. SpoolFlex software runs natively on the IBM I, I-Series, and AS400 to modernize application output by converting spool files directly to PC-friendly formats without programming, modifications, or a PhD in computer science. SpoolFlex installs on the IBM system with no PC components and converts spool files directly to a variety of electronic formats. Let's look closer at Excel conversion. SpoolFlex can be used interactively or automated to run seamlessly in the background in batch to easily convert reports to spreadsheets, eliminating rekeying and reducing paper waste. Just locate the spool file you want and select the Convert option. Choose the output type you want, select Formatting options, and press Enter. Now, that was easy. SpoolFlex also lets you create templates for recurring reports that store details for naming, filing, and formatting your spreadsheet reliably every time. Advanced formatting lets you extract data, add color highlighting, even include or exclude columns for custom reports. With just a couple keystrokes, SpoolFlex will let you convert your spool files directly into perfectly formatted Excel spreadsheets. You can add these conversions to your nightly routines and month end to automatically deliver reports as spreadsheets without lifting a finger. Look easy? See for yourself. Call today to arrange a free demonstration.